कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Uriu Shampang Walawan Ban Aji Kai Yaki Nong Sangkam Haka Prime Meghalaya Expo Arajar Apsau U Bhanu Pratap Singh Ulaong bagi Marbam ki Baprenmi nang Jylla kidai ki Babhatam Hendai kador jongki katat Tang nakadaw ka jingbom Biang ke Rukom song. Ula ay nuksa, baki mar, kiba, kipat ba, kidie, tang sispa sampaw ne aspa tengka shikilo. Lada ka Biang ke Rukom song. Naka shikilo, la ban penmi hadu nyospa, ne praspa tengka ru. Haba pai siya ka jingkiyo, ki nong sengkam hagani ka Jylla. Ubhanu Pratap ulaong ba menta, kila sedang banyak cakmat, bat kadan ka jingkermen, ba kin nang kiyo siya prang.
I'm Bhanu Pratap Singh. I'm founder of Northeast Farm Sales Promotion, which is a national award-winning startup company working on a vision to promote Northeast India across the world through its agri-heritage. In the process, we provide the procurement support to the farmers and we provide packaging support to the larger groups, startups, etc.
So is this the first time that you're part of the Meghalaya?
No, 2 or 3 years back, I was invited as a success story from Assam to the new cohort at the Tura cohort inauguration ceremony, which was attended by Honorable CM Sir.
So what are your views and opinions about the entrepreneur of the state?
I will say it's a good beginning. They still have to, now cover the journey. So they have started very well and good team has become. They have started playing also, but it's a test match. They have to play a lot. And success is there. They are doing very well. They all are, they know their positions. They know, what they have to do. And now time is for the action. Next few years, actions are required.
There is scope for entrepreneurship.
Yes. Everything is, all the ball is set. Now they have to just play.
So do you feel like this kind of program will help the youth?
Yes, of course. This is, a very morning when I came, I was expecting it will be a small program in a hall or, but such a big program only for the entrepreneurship. It's really amazing. And I want to salute the spirit and intention of the government of Meghalaya. Because for doing such kind of thing, you need a lot of intention, good intention and spirit and the passion for doing something. All officers were working so, actively, they're coordinating with the us night, morning and all they all belong to this program. They are not doing their duty. They all are, owner of this program. So it's really very nice to see and no one can stop now the entrepreneurship ecosystem in the state when such a kind of, from the top, the action and motivation is coming. I was invited to discuss about the packaging. So packaging is a very, a missing gap in entire Northeast India. And it's not fault of the our startups also or our farmers. It's about the availability and logistics issues and technical experts missing in the region. Most of the packaging material comes from outside and since they are farmers, our startups are small, so they are not the big buyers. So nowadays big buyers get the best value and best terms and best price. But it's the small one who suffers the most because his order is not of high value. So they get sometimes cheating or bad quality or less, poor service. And no one is interested also to, train them on packaging and all because for them it's a small market. Maybe that's the reason packaging is very at lower stage. And our organization, we started packaging is one of the main vertical out of 2 vertical. One is the procurement support, one is the packaging support. And this idea came to us in Guwahati under a flyover. A story 5 years back. A farmer was selling a turmeric, very good quality turmeric in a plastic bag, 150 rupee kg he was selling. I took this and that time I was in job. I took used and I said, he has such a great quality turmeric, but he is not getting. So I just made myself 5, packets, and I gave to him. Now you put 200 grams, you put in that, and we priced it 220 rupee. And just a store next there was there. I did all the printing and all as an experiment. It was a social experiment, I call. I gave it to the store wala. The store wala sold it. They took 20% of the margin. Then I charged this farmer also कि मेरा जो the cost of 10-12 rupee which I incurred on each you give to me. He gave me happily, and his income total was around 780 rupee. And earlier he was getting only 150 rupee. So this is the magic of the packaging. If you have the good packaging, suddenly your income goes 2 to 3 times. I'm very happy to inform, recently we provided around 40,000 packaging units, including around 100 new products label design, 10-12 FSSAI registration with packaging and sealing machines to Government of Meghalaya Rural Livelihood Mission. You see their stall are given packaging are placed on the board also, and with that now those products are sold in the supermarkets in Meghalaya. Small SHG's products which are poorly packed in the glass bottle or plastic pouch with handwritten stickers, those are now selling in the superstore. So that is happiness comes to us that with our intervention their income got up by 2 to 3 times. Similarly, we want to do in a large way here. My message is here, Meghalaya is an unexplored state in terms of the economic activities, and it has many opportunities. Opportunities lies in tourism, handicraft, handloom, agriculture. These are the pure sector for youth. Youth can't think for large setups and all, which bigger companies can do. But youth has to do these small ventures which will come out of handloom, handicraft, tourism, agriculture, horticulture, processing, these things. And these all are Meghalaya has advantage in these products. You have very traditional handloom, traditional handicraft, tourism. You have so many sites which still is unexplored. Someone can come and become a tour operator. Someone can start some other tour services. In agriculture, horticulture, so many wild fruits, all that, take one product and start working on that, make 5 products out of that. Come into market and all, you are all set.